In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Sheets. This can be a particularly useful feature when working with a complex spreadsheet that has multiple tabs. It essentially acts as a navigation tool, providing you with quick access to each tab at the click of a link. Let's dive in and see how we can set this up effortlessly. To get started, open your Google Sheets document. If you've got that open, you're ready for the next step. Once inside your spreadsheet, find a location on your main tab where you'd like to create the table of contents. Now simply select a cell by clicking on it. It's good to choose a spot that makes logical sense for quick reference, perhaps at the top of your sheet or wherever you feel would be most intuitive. Moving on, take a look at the URL of your spreadsheet. What you want to do here is copy the spreadsheet URL link of your first tab. This is important because it gives you the direct link to the specific tab where you'll want to create a reference point. To do this, you can either right-click to copy the link or use the shortcut commands like Ctrl+C or Command+C, depending on your device. With your URL ready, switch back to your main tab. Click on the Insert menu at the top of your sheet. This will drop down a menu with various options. Among these, you'll find Link. It's time to click on it. This is where we'll be setting up our hyperlink. Next, you'll see a prompt that asks you to type in the name of the link. Here, you can enter a name that corresponds to the tab you're linking to. For instance, if your tab is named Data Summary, you might want to enter Data Summary here so that it's clear and straightforward for anyone using the table of contents. Now it's time to paste the URL link that you copied earlier. Simply paste it into the provided space. You can use Ctrl+V or Command+V to do this quickly. It's as easy as that. After pasting, click on Apply to set your link in place. This will finalize this specific link in your table of contents. Congratulations, you've linked your first tab. The next thing you'll need to do is repeat this process for the rest of the tabs in your spreadsheet. By doing this, you ensure that each tab has a direct link within your table of contents, making navigation a breeze. Once you've linked all your tabs, take a moment to test them out. Go ahead and click on the links in your main tab to verify that you can smoothly view each tab directly from your table of contents. This simple yet powerful feature will undoubtedly save time and improve the navigation within your spreadsheet. Enjoy this newfound efficiency in managing your data.